So here to solve this Tapa Islands puzzle by Takeya Saikachi. One thing I'll do at the start is to focus on the variation and recognizing these big digits also have to be part of island clues. The single empty cell around the 7 can't be one of these corner cells because then this can't extend. But in extending, it can't extend to the left and get 7 cells. It can't extend over to the right and get 7 cells. So this clue looks something like this. The 7 in the bottom left corner has the same logic for it. You can't take this cell and you can't extend to the left or down to get a 7 long island. So the island's going to have to come like this. It's going to have to keep extending down. The top will go extend around it. In doing that, we actually now have marked effectively what the 113 clue will have to look like. That puts in this empty cell near this 2, 4. That's going to shade in these, shade in this. We need to keep this Tapa connected, so we're going to have to come through here. That puts in a 3 long island, marks off this cell. Everything in the bottom of the grid looks valid. In doing this at the top, we hadn't looked back at a clue like this 3, 3, and this 3, 3 also can't have its corner cells used. And in marking that in, we'll see it has to be horizontal. It will shade off this cell. That'll shade in this cell, put in a 2 long island for the top. This comes down. This 6 will have to take this shaded cell between island groups. Notice it can't take both of these, so one of these is white, and in doing that, we know we mark at least these over. Now we have this growing out to be the island. It's going to have to come across 2. It has to take this 3, 4, 5, 6. That gets marked in, finishes off this group. The 7 comes down, takes 1, 2, 3. That looks fine. This cell being unused and this being marked in means that the 5, 1 looks like this. To get 5 cells for this island, it's going to have to come and take these. That marks this in. Tapa staying connected gets us to here. The last bit of this puzzle is going to come from thinking about this 5 clue. I'll always take this space up top. To stay connected, this is going to need to take 2 straight cells. It can't take both of these. It's going to have to take 2 straight cells in a channel. And the thing to think through is really the island size. It's going to come from taking that channel. If I took this channel, this is now marked as a 2 by 2 cell. These are marked off based off completing the 5 clue, but notice I'm making a 6 large island. So this is the channel I take. This will connect somehow into the top, but I now also have to make a 7 large island. So I will take potentially 6, 7 cells. This comes over for the top. I can take 1 more, but we'll have to come down. So now this is exactly 7, marks in this. This cell's unused. We only want to take 1 more white cell, so we take this one in the top and leave behind a group of 5. So a really good combination of these 2 logic styles. It very much flowed at the start by thinking about the island's constraints, getting this big 7 in the grid, getting splits of the 6 and 7 to let a big enough island shape come out from them. And then connection through the typical Tapa clues got us through to the end, including thinking through how this 5 would work. So I hope you got something through this video, and we'll see you again soon.